22 8th Avenue in Homestead, Pennsylvania. It's Schindler 330 premium on the outside. HT, obviously. Smells like cigarettes in here. Before, it's one of these working door called Schindlers 330. It's your cup. Creaky 330, eh? Before, whoa. That was a harsh stop. Whoa. Vibrator along the top. Back down to 1. The basic neutral 330A laminate cab, kind of right. Okay, that's weird. Why are there screws on the indicator plate? Either the building did that and they didn't know what they were doing, or Schindler doesn't maintain them and they don't know what they're doing. It's not how you attach that. About 1. I think it's a Schindler lockbox. So it closes and that's going to be it.